Nakikita niyo ba yun na yung recording? Something button or any red button anywhere you're in right now. Kita niyo? Okay. Good. Start tayo. Okay, this is already our second class on CO. No? Mamalapit na tayo class, no? And hopefully you've been appreciating what we are doing here right now because I can still say up to this day that this is the most affordable review for social workers. No? Have you been appreciating so far? Ang dami akong na-receive na join natin. No? And hopefully you can see that I'm giving my best. No? It's been hindering my health for a couple of months na rin. Hopefully I'm doing my best. Excited na ako, natakot sa result. So, parating na board exam. Okay, ang PRC Community Organization, drill number 2 na tayo. So, which of the following activities is not part of entry phase? Ano ba? Mostly kasi sa entry phase, ang nangyayari doon ay preparing the venue, piniprepare yung mga localities, yung community. So, ano yung hindi part? Ano kaya? Formalizing the organization. Okay? Hindi pa po talaga, no? Hindi ka pa mag-create dyan ng organisasyon. No? Courtesy call, nangyayari yan, no? Sa entry phase. Yan talaga yung first. Actually, pag nakapili na kayo ng lugar, it's safe. No? Yan din yung qualification talaga sa pagpili ng lugar. Yan yung tinitignan dapat. Is the lugar safe? Safe ba siya? And then second thing ay, active ba? Active ba yung social work activities dyan? Social welfare activities? So next of that, pag na-determine na yan, so ang next talagang gagawin, actually sometimes before immersion sa mga bata or sa mga workers, let's say, estudyante pa yung mga practitioner, courtesy call. Ano yung courtesy call, no? I-meet yung mga political leaders. For example, kung sa barangay, no? Gathering data o nag-gathering, ito po dito tinatawag na gathering data, it could mean something or anything. Pwedeng gathering data, ginagather pa yung data sa pagpili ng setting or setup or community saan kayo mag-immerse. Or pwede rin intindihin to na nasa assessment part. Kasi birong din kasi yung entry phase. But, with process recording, pwede ganun. Yes. It could mean anything. But dito sa entry phase, this is a stage, no? You gather data. Hindi pa to yung pagpunto talaga na yung, ano nga tawag dito, yung nag-assessment ka na. It could be something. No? Batin yung pinakamalayo talaga dito, formalizing organization. And core group formation, of course, mga core group, meron ka naisip ng mga tao, ng mga kuhan, no? Ma-engage sa CO nyo. Usually, kung entry phase, mga panimula. So, ano yung mga hindi pa panimula? Alangan, no? So, baka signal ko yan regarding yung mga lumalakas at saka hindi. Okay naman yung signal ko. Baka signal mo yan, sir. A process where the community organizer actively involves herself in the day-to-day affairs, no, of the community in order to himself to gather more insider view. Sa ang sagot ito ay immersion. Okay? Ito na yung part na nakiki-immerse ka na sa society. Okay? Nakiki-immerse ka na. Why we say immersion? Because you are involving yourself. Word po na, no, inside. You are immersing, di ba? Yung sa tubig pa, you immerse me. Pupunta ka talaga doon, no? You dive in. Immersion po yan. Philippine CO model, which is patterned from the community development model, which utilizes the barangay structure mechanism. So, baranganic approach. Okay? Another thing sa barangay approach, ito yung tatanungin kayo sa barangay, may lumabas na barangay during our time. I don't know kung saan siya itatanong. Is it in HBC something? Because it's about social environment concern. Now, what is barangay? Ano yung barangay? Barangay is the smallest political unit of the society. No, political unit. Family is the smallest social unit. No? Ano din yung mga role ng family? Socialization, production, reproduction. Ganun po yun. Educational. CEO model, another CEO model tayo, is concerned with the translating social goals into program and services by an agency. Agency yung gumagawa, okay? Or group of agency, NGO, in collaborative efforts with the community. Social planning. Okay? Social planning po yan. Yung tinatranslate yung goals. Social planning, nagpaplano pa naman to, no? Ibig sabihin, no, tinatranslate pa yung goals into program. So, during the process na tinatranslate pa yung goals into program, actually, hindi pa kayo dyan nag-action. Wala pang action na nangyari dyan, no? Wala pang, kumbaga, implementation. Okay? Kasi, planning, parang ina-analyze nyo pa lang, paano kaya itong goal na to ma-implement? Parang ganun ba na aspect? So, sa madaling salita, sa pag-iisip na ganun, paano kaya itong goal na to, paano siya mapadali in terms of implementation, mas mapagaan, no? Mas magiging comfortable, mas magiging pulido yung trabaho. That way, we are talking about planning. No? Planning tayo. So, number 5. So, CEO role tayo, which provides expert knowledge. Ito na expert. Kasi class, pag researcher ka, actually, hindi ka pa expert. No? Nagre-research ka pa nga. No? So, hinintay pa yung result ng research mo. Hindi masabi na expert ka. No? Ang sabi pa nga dito, yung expertise mo daw will provide information to the community to achieve planning goals, objectives. Enabler, hindi yung enabler po, oftentimes yung pinaka-goal tayo enabler, social mobilization, social mobility. Kumbaga, yung core group mo, mahihiyan, wala po muna yung alam sa mga services, wala pa yung alam how to gather people, how to plan, how to make project proposals. So, i-enable mo sila. Oftentimes, enable comes to organizing. Iplaster lahat. Pag organize, yan man yung organizing nila, ipaplaster lahat. Kasi, organization faves with facilitation. Ang dali lang po magkaroon ng facilitator, ang dali lang po ma-facilitate yung isang organization, yung isang, let's say, seminar, for the lack of example, kung organize na lahat. So actually, yung dalawang role na yan, organizing at saka facilitation, baris yan, no? And enable mo yung tao na wala pa talagang kakayahan. Researcher, yun nga, no? Wala pa nga result. How can you give? So, iba yung result mo. And that does not mean din na yung isa kang researcher, expert ka. Unlike na lang siguro na yung mga hypothesis mo ay totoo. And then oftentimes, hindi naman lahat ng research talaga natin ay talagang napapakinabangan. No? Sometimes may mga research na pang hardbound lang, ganun ba? Pang hardbound lang, no, sa college. And meron ding research na pang international, no? Teacher ka, teacher. So, teacher, mostly sa teacher, nagtuturo yan ng information. Yan lang. Tapos na. But when we say you are a consultant, actually, kung consultant ka, you can teach. You could be a researcher. You could enable. Ganun po yan, no? Expert po talaga. Pwede ka naman magturo, no, na hindi ka expert. No? CEO strategy naman tayo. which is used to crystallize the issue, no? Pag issue, alam mo na, no? Involved and to get majority vote support of the contestant proposal, okay? May pinopropose kayo, no? Para meron kayong gustong mangyari or isang project ba kaya, proposal na mangyari, no? Is used when there is a dissension in crucial issue. Okay, ano kaya ang sagot nyo dyan? Ano ibig sabihin ng class pag sinabi nating dissension? Awayan, no? Gusto, disagreement. Tamang sagot ito, contest. Contest strategy. Kino-contest mo, actually, hindi naman sa by word tayo, pero meron kasing word dito na contestant. No, ibig sabihin, contestant, from the word contestant, you are contesting something. Kino-contest mo yung isang guy. No, ganun yung idea dyan. No, kumu-contest ka. Okay? Contest po to, no? Contest. Kasi meron kayong gustong mangyari. No, may usap kasi dito. Hindi po ito ibig sabihin na use of conflict. Alam mo yung use of conflict dito? Ginagamit mo yung conflict para may magbago. Ang pinaka-example dito, yung EDSA. Yes, nagkameron ng conflict, pero may napababa na isang kuan. Yung ganang yung aspeto ba na yung, yes, alam natin na yung conflict, hindi siya nakakabuti. Okay? Oftentimes, dahil sa masaklap na yung nangyayari, people change. Parang napipilitan na lang, ganun ba? Parang, ay sige, magbago na lang tayo. Kasi wala na, may mga affected. Ganun po yun. So, contest strategy. A careful plan, method in which used to achieve certain goal. O, strategy. Okay, strategy. Meaning man to meaning. Ano yung strategy mo, no? Para ma-achieve yung goal mo. CEO model which try to fuse the strategy. So, if use to, no? Ano kaya? Ano yung pinuse dyan? Pinuse dyan yung word? BCC. CO. Ano yung BCC CO, sir? BCC o Balinsky. Conscientization niya parang pinapakonsensya, no? Conscientize, no? Parang from the word conscience, okay? Conscience, no? Yung parang pinapagising, no? Pinapagising mo yung mga tao. Ito kasi si Alinsky, radical kasi si Alinsky, no? Meron siyang book sa CO. So kinumbay niya yung I forgot the meaning of that BCC. Basta community organization na yan, no? Galing yan kay Alinsky. Oftentimes, yan naman yung, pag si Alinsky, BCCCO. So, yan yung kuha natin dyan, no? Keyword. Social action, tatlo kasi yung model ng CO. Meron tayong social action, planning, social planning, and locality development. So the final indicator of success of community organizing effort is, yung indicator, paano malaman na nagawa nyo yung goal. Kung ito yung goal, for example, yung goal ay mapataas yung economic status ng mga community yan, yung indicator mo is specific. Yan kasi indicate niya. Paano mo nasabi na mag-succeed, no, economically yung ganyan, no? So, pinaka-specific yung indicator. For example, paano mo sabi na effective yung ginawa niyong skills training? Example, driving skills. Marami yung indicator. Pwede yung isa dyan na pinaka-specific. Maging driver siya ng isang kumpanya. Ayan, talaga, effective talaga yan kasi naging driver nga siya eh. No? So, people's quality of life, no, has changed for the better. No? Final success indicator na to, it looks like parang visionary din po na success indicator, no? Ito kasi yung final, no? Final na indicator. May nakalagay pala dito no na final. Ibig sabihin, malaki na yung indicator dapat, no? Nagbago yung quality of life. Plans have been accomplished. Ang dami pong plans. Hindi lang po yan, no? Kung itong planong to, nagawa nyo naman, final success na ba yan? Hindi po. Roads have been built. Iwan ko, no? Wala namang sinabi na yung konteksto natin dito ay construct or daanan, no? There is an existing organization with active officers. Alam niyo yung mga daanan ngayon, no? Alam niyo yung punto na nagkaka-traffic na kasi giniba yung mga daanan, okay naman, pero yung mga daanan na giba talaga, hindi ginalaw. Ganun po yung letter B. Parang ganun, no? Nakakairita, di ba? Nagigil tayo. Ganun yung roads have been built. Iwan ko kano yung sinong success indicator yan, no? Para lang may project, may trabaho, di ba? Iwan sa mga tao. Which following is not a role of the sea worker, no? Hindi ka leader. Take note. Hindi ka pwedeng maging leader. Ang goal mo talaga dyan, social worker, yung tao yung leader. Kaya nga, i-enable mo sila. No? Gawin ka nilang consultant. Okay? Kindly, give you mind. Consultant, lumabas din kanina. Broker ka din. CO technique. Structuring. Okay? Structuring. A. A process of going around the community and informing the community about activity like B. And available technical knowledge, expertise, or formal aspect. Ano yan, no? Meaning po ng technique. Ano yung sabihin na word na kailangan may expertise? From the word expertise and technical knowledge. Yan po yung sabihin ng technique. Ang ibig kasi sabihin ng technique class, yung mga expert lagi nakakagawa dyan kasi it's so technical. No? So kailangan technique po yan, no? Ang strategy para magawa yung trabaho mo, para magawa yung plano, anong yung strategy nito para magawa yung plano, mapulido. Pero iba din yung kaibahan ng technique. Sa technique, magagawa yung trabaho pero yung mga lalong technical. Okay, yan po yung kaibahan. From the word technical, technique. Yan po yung kaibahan kasi baka magkuhan po yan, no? Yung approach is a bigger way to deal, no? Ang dami tayong approach, yung bigger way. Plano, alam mo na yan, ano yung plano. No? Nagkakagulo talaga mo sa yung estudyante, strategy and technique. Yung strategy, lumabas na kanina. Ang technique, yan, lumalabas yan sa mga technical na mga gawain. May word technical, alam ko na sagot dyan, technique. Strategy employed by CO worker where interest groups attend committee meeting, okay? So yung interest group, yung mga grupong na may interest sa issue na yan. Attend committee meetings of the legislative bodies to show support or protest sa ipapasang bill, lobbying. May nilalabi kayo. No? Pwede nyo ilabi yung agreement nyo. Okay kami dyan, sir. Meron kami backup na mga research niyan. And pwede nyo rin ilabi yung protest nyo. Basta naglabi ka, para meron kang inilapit. Strike rally, usually similar, may synonyms. Advocate, meron ka talagang pinapanigan na isang party or isang interest group. Yan yung ibig sabihin ng um, advocate. Which of the following is not, so exemption ha, hindi pwede, is not a characteristic of community development model? Project-oriented naman talaga yung CEO. All geographic area are focused of organizing, of course, CEO nga. Letter B, resources or both yung existing organizational resources and leadership. Yes, using resources and leadership. Issue starting point of organizing people. No? Actually, yung CEO ko talaga, no? Yung CEO ay hindi ka nagsimula sa issue. Okay? I'll check. We have some delays. Okay naman tayo, di ba? Delay sa inyo, hindi. I'll recheck. See, usually, delay daw. Malalaman natin po. Wala may answer sa 13. I-rewind nyo na lang, no? It's a number 15 rin tayo. Okay, number 15. Number 16. Termination phase involves the following except one. No? Encircle that we just not. Core group formation. Kasi in the middle yan eh. Core group formation. And term evaluation. Totoo yan, no? Formal turnover. So either turnover kasi tapos na. Redefinition of role. So, nire-redefine mo yung role kasi aalis ka na, okay? Laruhin natin, no? Ma'am, ito yung role mo, ma'am. Ito yung gawin nyo. Kasi aalis na tayo. Yung group formation sa middle phase yan. A technique which involves acting out situation which would defect the problems that nag-acting kayo, no? Role play. Dinidefect niyo yung kuha, no? Role play yan, halata naman. 18. A coalition is larger organization of groups and people organization characterized by the following except one. Ano yun? Coalition yung alliance, no? Alliance. Yung tumakbo sila Lenny, sila Joke, no? Combination para daw yung the super coalition yung tawag sa kanila. Kasi there is alliance of different people. Okay? Which is not. Member organization come from one sector. Hindi po ganyan yung coalition. Pag sinabi natin coalition, yung sinabi ko nga sila Lenny, yung presidency ni Lenny, di ba iba-iba naman sila, di ba? Yung iba sa kanila, iba-ibang party. May mga iba independent, no? So, yung A, tama yung A, different sectors. Ang mali po dyan, hindi po sila come from one. Ang mali po yan, no? Hindi po pwedeng one sector na tawagin natin coalition, hindi po ganyan yun. Nakikita niyo po yung slide, number 19 na tayo. Number 19. Are you seeing the slides? Huh? Teka lang ha, I'll stop. So 18 role play. 17 role play A. I think meron na, nakikita ko na. No, kasi dinidepict niyo yung kuan, no? 18, no? B. No? Kasi yung coalition po talaga, there is an alliance to different organization kasi not yung hinahanap eh. Okay, the following 19 activities fall under the pre-entry. So, hindi pa kayo nag-entry. Encircle, which is not, no? Training community leaders. So, di ba, bago na kayo umenter sa community, no? Yan yung tinatawag na pre-phase. Ano na yung hindi? Site selection. Pre-entry yan. Pipili kayo ng lugar. Lumalabas din sa board, ano yung mga criteria kung ng site selection? The first thing talaga, safety. Wala nang iba pa. Safety yung pinaka-first at saka how well that community is active naman at some point in parang paano sila nagpa-participate o nakikipagtulungan sa mga mag-i-immerse na mga worker, okay? Or community worker. Administrative preparation, yan sa agency. Nag-prepare kayo, paano kayo umentra. And gathering of secondary data about the community. Pwede yung mga elite or key informants, yung sinasabi natin na key informants sa barangay or community. Ano ba yung community nyo? Totoo ba yung sinasabi na may mga rebelde daw yan? Totoo ba yung sinasabi na? Ganyan ba? So training of community leaders, malayo na yan. Sa middle phase na yung ganda. Okay? Periodic assessment undertaken within the implementation measure period. Okay? Monitoring yan. Terminal evaluation, yan po yung sa part ng pagkatapos sa termination na part, nag-evaluate ka. Impact assessment, kung may nagawa ba, no? May impact ba yung pinagagawa nyo dyan? Baseline assessment, bikuan lang, no? Sa panimula. Monitoring, pag may word na progress, class, yung progress, nagdududa na kaagad ako dyan sa monitoring, yung sagot. No? Pinagdududahan, ito siguro yung sagot. Ganun yung kaagad sa isip ko. Lalo na pag may word na periodic. Kasi yung monitoring kasi, minomonitor ka from time to time, period to period. So yan po yung keyword. In the community organization process, the development of the helping relationship starts from, alangan ba naman, no? Pre-helping. Hindi ka mag-planning diretsyo, no? Saan ka ba magsisimula? Tulong ka diretsyo, wala ka pang alam. Diyan kasi sa pre-helping, may mga nangyayari na assessment din dyan. Yan yung ibig sabihin. Na ang pahiwatig talaga ng tanong na to, bago ka katutulong, magsimula ka daw sa assessment. Ano yung assessment? Helping? No, implementation na yan eh. No? Action, implementation din yan. Planning. Pre-helping, assessment, knowing the data, knowing the community, knowing everything. No? Planning, agency, preparation, everything. Basta preparation pa lang. Pag may word na pre, ang tanong kasi, bago ka tumulong, ano yung gagawin mo? Prepare. Ano yung pre? Word na, di ba, unlapi yan, di ba, unlapi. Mga panlaping una. Lumabas yan sa let. Yan yung pinaka nanggigigil ako sa let, no? Yung Pilipino ba? Nasasagutan ko yung mga adjectives. 86 naman yung rating ko sa let. lumabas yung adjectives. Dali lang. Pagdating yung mga ponemang morponiko na nagbabalat kayo, wala na, no? Sumakit na yung ilong ko, no? Hindi pala ako nanonosebleed sa English, Pilipino pala. Okay. Ano ba yun? 22, stands up as just cause. No? Dito, meron kang pinapanigan. Itong word na sinasabi ko, meron pinapanigan hindi to kwan hindi to parang bias ka. For the lack of terms lang. No, kumbaga, ano ba yung right term dito? Meron kang pinapanigan. Ganun na lang, no? Stands up for the just cause of any. No, so, meron kang nire-representa, gano'n na lang, no? Ng mga disadvantaged group, no? Advocate ka dyan. Steers the community's group in the process through difficult encounter. No, guide. Planner, di yan planning. No? Researcher, yan yung meron kang gustong malaman. Teacher, yan yung kulang sa development or knowledge yung mga tao, yan magagamit. Bakit ka ba, example, maglakwatsa ka, pupunta ka ng Palawan, sana all, pupunta ka ng Palawan, hindi mo alam, mahirap yung daan. Anong kailangan mo, guide? Kailangan mo ba ng kuan? Teacher? Yes, sir. Di ba, sir, pag guide kasi nagtuturo ka din? Ang ibig kasi sabihin ng teacher dyan, kung yung sa illustration ko na guide, pwede ka lang yung turuan na pumunta ka lang dun, sumakay ka lang dun, ganun. Pero hindi ako sasama sa'yo. Ganun yun. Ang guide, through difficult encounter, sasamahan ka niya. Pagdadapa ka dun sa island, sa Palawan, may ahas dun, no? Pinatay niya yung ahas. No? I haven't been there. Baka naman, iba sa dito, sa review natin, nagalawa, tapos na yung... Anyways, I will be grateful if it happened. Okay, 24. Hindi pa tayo. Task goals, class, no? Kandunhan to. Yung kandunhan ay, yung sa kanya lang ay task goals, group process, and relationship goals. Task goals is when nilid ka isang tao to do something. Kaya nga task. Ano yung task? Di ba doing something? No? So, itong si Maury Rose, makinig na lang kayo ha. Ang isa sa pinakamalaking contribution niya sa community organization ay theory and principles of community organization. Okay? Mori-Rose, Theory and Principles of Community Organization. Ito naman si Harley Trecker. Okay? Actually, si Harley Trecker, marami din siya ang bilang CEO. No? Bilang CEO. So, dahil yung Rose ay Theory and Principles. Kang kuan man kang Harley Trecker, no? Meron din siya naiambag sa group work. And then, in terms of principles and practices. Wala. O yung si Harley Trecker ha, kuan siya, author siya ng Social Work Administration, Principles and Practices. Okay, si Mori-Rose ay Theory and Principles. Group, banking group, professional group are examples of functional committees. Okay? Functional. Banking. Professional. Profession. Integrated communities, yun lang, yung nagkabuo lang. Geographic, in the area lang. Rural communities, o in the rurality. For lack of needed manpower, o